Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. Today we are gonna learn how to disable Windows Defender. First of all, open Windows Defender and click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then scroll down and turn off Tamper Protection. After it, scroll up, then turn off Real-Time Protection. Then download this RAR file, link in my description for download. Right click on it, then extract it here. Double-click on Disable Defender, then apply these 3 registry files. Then restart at your computer. Then go back to Windows Defender and you will see, it's not working anymore. With this revert file, you can easily revert it whenever you want. Thanks for watching.